Jocelyn's trying to roll. Just a little bit. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? You're so trying. Get those legs going, huh? What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing? Move your head. Oh, look at you. You're so strong. You can do that. I've seen you do that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, move that head. Oh, yay, you did it. Sorry for the bad film job. Everybody's getting sick. You did it. Now what? Now what are you going to do? Do it again? Do it again? Oh. Just that arm getting in the way. Should we cheat? Do you want Mama to help you move your arm? No, you're not going to do that. Turn towards Mom. Move your head. Move your head. Almost. Almost, sweetheart. Almost, sweetheart. Okay, sweetie, we're going to say bye-bye for now. And then I'm going to leave the camera rolling while I get dressed.